about if I have to add a fraction with different denominators? Let me give you an example. If I have 1 over 6 plus 1/4, that is equals to, my partial answer is 4 plus 6 over 24. That would be also equals to 10 over 24 and also equals to 5 over 12. But the question is, how it is being done? Well, ganito lamang po yun. We have just to multiply our denominator, which is equals to 6 times 4, that is equals to 24. Then multiply diagonal from top left of our fractions, that is equals to 1 times 4, that is equals to 4, and 1 times 6, that is equals to 6. I have to add 4 plus 6, that is equals to 10. Copy the denominator, and think of a number that can be divided by 10 and 24, and I have to divide this by 2. If I have to divide 10 divided by 2, that is equals to 5. And if I have 24 divided by 2, that would give us 12. And thus, this is my final answer. For my example number 2, for instance, I have 1/5 plus 2 over 3. For my partial answer, that is equals to 3 plus 10 over 15. And if I have to add 3 plus 10, that is equals to 13 over 14. Since 13 and 14 is already in simplified form, so that would be our final answer. Let's have example number 3. I have 6 over 9 added by 4 over 7. And for my partial answer, I have 42 plus 36 over 63, which is also equivalent to 78 over 63, and also equivalent to 1 and 15 over 63. But how? Well, as what we have done for our previous example, you have to follow our steps. First, multiply 9 times 7, 63. 6 times 7, 42. 4 times 9, 36. Add 42 plus 36, that is equal to 78. And we have 63 as our denominator, just copy. And we have to simplify 78 divided by 63, that would give us an answer of 1 and 15 over 63. Now let's have example number 4. If I have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5, and for my partial sum, that is equals to 15 plus 8 over 20, which is also equivalent to 23 over 20, that would give us a mixed fraction of 1 and 3 over 20. But again, how? Well, this is just simple as this. You just multiply 4 times 5, that is equals to 20. We have to multiply 3 times 5, that is equals to 15. We have 2 times 4, that is equals to 8. Just add 15 and 8, that is equals to 23. Just copy the denominator, that is equals to 20. And simplify 23 over 20, that is equals also to 1 and 3 over 20, which is equal to our final answer. How about if I have example number 5? So I have 7 over 9 plus 12 over 8. For my partial answer, I have 56 plus 108 over 72, which is also equivalent to 164 over 72, and also equivalent to 31 over 18, or that is equivalent also to 2 and 5 over 18. But the question is how? How did we arrive for such answer? Well, it's just as simple as this. Just multiply 9 times 8, 72. Multiply 7 times 8, 56. Multiply 12 times 9, that is equals to 108. Add 56 to 108, that would give us 164. just copy our denominator. Then divide both sides. 164 divided by 4, that is equals to 41. I have my divisor here as 4. And if I have to divide 72 divided by 4, that is also equivalent to 18. Now, since 42 and 18 is an improper fraction, we have to write our answer in a mixed form. And thus, we have to divide 41 divided by 18. That would give us 2 and 5 over 18. That would be our final answer. Maraming salamat!